Welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create multiple certificates automatically using Microsoft Word and Excel with a simple and powerful tool called Mail Merge. First, open your Canva and start designing your certificate. While you're working on your design, make sure to leave a space for the participant's name, matrix ID, or IC number, depending on what information you want to include. Once you're satisfied with your certificate design, download it in PNG format. We'll use this image as the background in Word. Next, open your Excel file that contains your participants' information. For example, my file has 3 columns: number, name, and matrix ID. But for this lesson, we'll only use the name column to mail merge in Word. After checking your data, close the Excel file. Make sure you remember the sheet name and the column you want to use during the mail merge process. Now, open Microsoft Word. Go to the Mailings tab and click Select Recipients, then choose Use an Existing List. Select the Excel file that contains your certificate details. When prompted, click the sheet name that holds your participant information. Next, import the certificate image you downloaded from Canva just now. Right-click on the image, go to Wrap Text, and choose Behind Text. Then, adjust the image so it fits nicely with the portrait layout of your page. Click on the Insert tab and select Text Box to add a text area on your certificate. Right-click on the text box, then go to Fill and Outline and choose No Fill and No Outline. This keeps it clean and invisible. Now, go back to the Mailings tab. Click Insert Merge field and select the column name from your Excel file. In this case, choose Name. You can customize the font style, size, and position of the name to match your design. When you're done, return to the Mailings tab and click Check for Errors. Select the second option, and then boom! Your certificates are now automatically generated with each participant's name. And that's how you create multiple certificates quickly and easily using Canva, Excel, and Mail Merge in Word. This simple method saves time and gives you professional results every time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos.